Diagram shows the variation of a quantity y with a quantity x for an object in a uniform gravitational field. What could x and y represent? So, the mass for different objects moving at the same speed and kinetic energy. Since if we vary the mass, then kinetic energy, as we know that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. That means kinetic energy is directly proportional to mass. So, the graph would be a straight line. The graph would something look like a straight line, but as the graph is slightly tilted towards the x-axis, so this would not be the answer. Then speed of the object of constant mass on the x-axis and kinetic energy on the y-axis. As we know that kinetic energy is directly proportional to speed square, that means as the kinetic energy is on the y-axis while the speed is on the x-axis, so y is directly proportional to x square. And as we know that y is directly proportional to x square is the shape of the curve that would something look like this. That means the curve would slightly tilt towards the x-axis since y is directly proportional to x square. So this would be the answer. And some other graphs would look like this. Y is directly proportional to x square. So the graph would slightly tilt towards the x-axis. Y square is directly proportional to x. So the graph would something tilt on the y-axis instead of being a straight line. And if y is inversely proportional to x, then the shape of the graph would be a decreasing curve or the shape like a banana.